All right, this is a presentation on PHYS 2212, Lab 3 Circuits by Colin Tisberger. The purpose of this experiment is to create two circuits that involve the use of resistors, batteries, and capacitors, and observe the values from ammeters and voltmeters to determine the properties of these circuits. The findings of the experiment were that there was voltage change in the second resistor. And then there was also zero point 0.5 voltage change from the wires in the first circuit. On the second circuit, the first one, with 10 ohms of resistance took 47 seconds to discharge, and the 20 ohm bulb took 5 seconds. These are the key concepts. Ohm's law. The change in voltage is equal to the current times the resistance. Kirchhoff's loop rule. The change in voltage around the circuit must add up to zero. And the capacitor voltage formula, the voltage of a capacitor is equal to the charge stored over the capacitance. Model. The assumptions here that there is no resistance in the wires or voltmeter when recording values, and that the electric field in connecting wires are negligible. The scenario is to recreate the circuits pictured in the diagrams below and record the resistance and current in various places in the circuits. Circuit. Then we replace the ammeters with voltmeters and record the change in voltage. Then we create the second circuit to observe the time it takes for the second circuit to discharge the capacitor. Then we use a different bulb and repeat step 4. Here are the results. As you can see, the findings of the experiment were that a 0.8 voltage change in the first resistor and a 1.7 voltage change in the second resistor, as well as a 0.5 voltage change from the wires in the first circuit. In the second circuit, the first bulb with 10 ohms of resistance took 47 seconds to discharge, and the 20 ohm bulb took 5 seconds. Some possible sources of error in this experiment could be inaccuracies in the voltmeter or ammeter, or any resistance that may have come from the voltmeter or ammeter. If there was no resistance,